Here is a really cute Rakshabandhan makeup look for you guys. First of all, apply concealer on your under eyes and other pigmented dark spots. I'm just concealing my under eyes and on my nose, around my lips and on my forehead, and just blending everything out with a brush because it gives more coverage than a beauty blender. And then around the eyes you have to blend in with your fingers क्योंकि फिंगर से हमको बहुत ही सॉफ्ट एंड बहुत ही अच्छा फिनिश मिलता है. For blush I'm using a cream blush and I'm using a peachy shade for more like a glow from within look. Here I'm applying a brush. You can also use a beauty sponge or you can just use a finger as well. And then I'm using a liner to draw a really cute normal small wing. As you can see, I normally draw a line and just connecting it to the 3/4 part of my eyes, and that's it. And then as you can see the difference doing it my other eyes. Okay, so the next is what I'm doing is I'm just extending the liner on my inner corner of my eyes to give a really snatch look. Quickly gonna curl my lashes with a lash curler. If you don't have a lash curler, that's okay, that's nothing a big deal at all. Just applying mascara and you can see the difference. No need to use false lashes, using the same liquid blush as my lipstick, topping up with a red lipstick for a more plump look. And yeah, there you have it, a beautiful, natural and very cute, subtle Raksha Bandhan look.